Patron, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. That's Amelia. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today, we are going to take some time to say thank you to everyone that has sent us some gifts, some fan mail, however you want to look at it, because we are super grateful to get that stuff. And I just want to recognize that when we get built up with some stuff, we take a minute and we recognize you guys and we say thank you. So we're going to share the stuff with you. Amelia thought she wanted to join us for a video, so this is a good one for her to join us.
She's like balding in the back.
It looks like it.
It looks really bad on the camera.
It does, yeah. It's not as bad in person. Before we dive in, I wanted to tell you guys a couple things we have been working on. The Xiaomi Fimi drone, I did another flight test on it without doing the firmware update, just to see what the flight time would be. Without going crazy with the gimbal rocking around and going nuts on that right joystick. And today I stepped out front with my dad in about 35-degree Fahrenheit weather and very little wind, and we got an 8.5-minute flight time of just hovering, which is horrible. That's really bad. That's even, I think, about worse than the first flight. So we will do the firmware update. I don't think that's going to help significantly, but we'll see. 8.5 minutes to the 25-minute promise time. I mean, 8.5 is about what the Spark gets for us, but they say 25 minutes. So yeah. I think that's pretty awful. And then a little bit of news on the Hubsan Xeno end of things. The firmware update for Android users was scheduled for release yesterday. My dad's very excited about that. And then they pushed it back to the 13th. So we'll see what happens with that. But Dad and I did fly the Xeno today on an iPhone, and it went really well. So things are going well. We're still testing those things for you guys. Amelia wants to tell you about it too. But yeah, we're still working on things. We just have to take a minute and say thanks to everyone. We'll be back to our regular scheduled like RC content really soon. And to those of you that are not interested in a fan mail kind of video, there, I just saved you a little bit of time. But everyone else, I say get a cup of hot cocoa, kick back, work on your RC project. We got a good pile of stuff here and we just want to say thanks. And so that's what this video is going to be about. If you hear me talking about something that you're interested in, pull the phone or the tablet or the TV back up that you were watching us on and tune in for that.
And just in case you're curious, because we always get comments after we do a mail time video, our P.O. box is always in the description box. Yeah. And it's on the About page on our channel.
Yes. Okay. Let's dive in. This should be fun. We've got some family stuff and got a Stan Brewer box over there. Jan Whitley.
We have 2 Stan Brewer boxes.
Yeah, so this is always fun when we get a box from Stan Brewer. He does some crazy, sometimes random stuff, sometimes RC stuff.
Never know what you're going to get.
Sometimes a good snack or two. Let's see what we got over here.
Those are 8-ounce Dr. Brown's bottles.
Yep,
so
right.
She's been using the 4-ounce bottles that John Poen bought her, and
they're the best for her.
Who got her these 8-ounce ones?
This,
Okay, I need my phone. Okay, my phone's right here. I will tell you, because they didn't put a gift receipt in the box.
Well, not a gift receipt, just a little
note. A note.
Yeah, that's okay. You make it sound like you're annoyed at that. This is
not,
amazing.
I'm not annoyed at that. I just mean, like, I want to say thank you.
These look huge compared to her normal. Look at that. Okay, we had to pull up the registry, but we got it. David, our buddy that had the gas truck for us, David Ratliff, 8-ounce bottles. That's awesome. Now, she won't be using those yet, but these are going to come in super handy in the very near future.
There's another box from David over there.
Okay.
I think it's the bag with all the red little cute outfit.
Okay. And then he also sent
this is from David too, and this is super cute. Look at that.
There's little ribbons and stuff everywhere. I don't know what
It's so fun to see you open.
I feel like I should tie these to an airplane. Now this says, "Hi Nathan, enjoy your gift from David." So this one has the gift receipt. Oh man, those are shoes?
They're little shoes.
Oh geez, those are polka dot.
This is a Valentine's Day outfit.
Wow.
Let's see. They match this outfit, but these are big shoes, girl.
Look at that, look at that. Little bow there. Cute. Okay, alright. What is this, Abby? What is
Those
that?
are leggings.
Oh man.
Leggings.
Okay.
You wear them this way. Well,
so there's 2.
You would wear them this way.
I would wear them that way. And then a tutu.
That's so cute. cute.
I feel like that would fit my head.
Oh my gosh.
And there's
Aww,
Valentine's Day. Okay, nice.
That's so cute.
Thanks,
Thank you, David.
Very cool.
She's all ready to go for Valentine's Day.
By the way, we're not even using our big bright studio lights right now because she's kind of sleeping. We wanted to keep it a little. So if you're wondering why the lighting's a little different, that is why. It's a little darker in here right now. Another little Amelia package here.
Those are 3 different people that you've ever holding.
Oh, I see.
That is a congratulations card from Alan and Sharon. So thank you so much for sending us a card.
Thank you,
It's
guys.
so nice that you guys thought about us while we were in the hospital. Okay, that
Oh man.
that
It's like
right there
tiara.
was a surprise from the Newens family. So it's a little bell onesie, Disney bell, with a little crown.
That's pretty
It's
cool.
gonna be so funny on her.
I'll enjoy seeing that on
That pink thing, I
Okay.
believe, came from the Newens family too.
And if we're wrong, I'm sorry, but this does. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Look at that. That's cute. I'll keep her warm.
Very cute.
I like
love
that. And then we have this
it. With the bow.
with the bow.
That is from John Poen.
Oh, nice.
Yay, John
Yeah.
Poen.
Oh, we have the
that's-
Newens
Yeah,
clan.
this is for Christmas. This is my first Christmas on it.
Hopefully she'll fit in there. She probably will. Yeah. She'll
It'll probably, it'll work. It'll work, little girl.
Now we have
Another David.
David
Chins
Chinsoff.
off.
Subway gift card, one of our favorite
Yeah.
gift card places.
David came down to help us with the giving tree, and instead of just offering his help, he also brought gifts.
Yeah.
So thank you, David.
See, some days we wake up and we're like, oh my gosh, we don't have any groceries. What are we going to do for lunch or dinner?
Dinner.
And Subway to the rescue.
Eat fresh. We eat fresh.
And then he hooked us up with these cool little flying disco ball
Yeah, but
things.
these are supposed to be hand controlled, right?
That's what it says. Uses motion
We'll see.
sensing technology control with your body or your hand. We'll probably play with these in an upcoming video, I would say. Maybe on the vlog channel,
Yeah.
possibly. That'll be fun.
And this was my absolute favorite
This is
gift
crazy.
from David. He made this just for Amelia.
It's a little puzzle,
Yeah,
so let me
all
just,
the pieces come
let me
out.
just knock one out here. They're pretty,
That's so
right?
cool.
they fit right in.
I love that.
I like that a lot.
So nice.
Good way for her to learn her name.
Yeah.
This is a pretty little
Card?
card.
From-
Okay, let's see. I'll show the card. There's a little winter theme,
Christmas card.
Christmas card. We do like getting Christmas cards.
That's cool. I'm gonna put that on a tree.
Little ornament.
Is that kind of like a doily kind of thingy?
This is from Evelyn and Larry Ryan.
Oh yeah, we met them at RCS Fest.
Yes.
That's so awesome. Thank you
Awesome.
so much. That's so nice of you guys.
We hang up the cards and we can put that on the tree.
Yeah.
So that's very cool. Okay, yeah. More looking out for us. We have been known. Now there's some very late nights.
Okay, she has been like extremely like squirmy
She's
the last
moody.
like week. She can crawl from my stomach up to my face, like, you know, wiggling with her face. It's crazy. I didn't know a baby could move like that.
Sometimes there are late nights that we're up with her, and
Yes.
then we get hungry and Subway's closed.
And we
you know,
never
all these-
have good food in the house.
No.
And we're very unhealthy eaters.
Well, right now we are. And
like past
so,
years we
one of the few places that are open late is Steak and Shake.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a very handy one because it's pretty close to our house.
So thank you, Tom Reams,
Tom,
right?
yes, Tom Reams.
And he bought that right
Also
there.
got this.
This
This
is
should
so
be.
cute.
This is gonna be like one of her
I
favorite
want to open it.
new little
Can
toy.
you open it for me?
Yeah.
It's like an activity little cube with all sorts of little doohickeys and stuff she
That'll
can,
keep her busy.
entertain with. Once she is able to sit up, this is going to be perfect for her.
That's pretty cool. So it's got little interactive things.
That is cool.
I can't even figure that one out. What's going on there? Okay, it rolls. And then these, push them when you turn it on. Ooh,
Nice.
a noisemaker. Copyrighted probably. We'll turn that off for now.
Aw, thanks, Tom.
That was really nice of you.
Thank
Very
you for
cool.
thinking of us.
Very cool. Now this is a Stan Brewer box, and they're usually a lot of fun. And he's got fun handwriting, different colors, and we always have to read the
Yes.
awesome note first. So we did that when we got this.
Yes. So right off the top, he bought 3 of these little horseshoe things. One is for Nathan and I to share. one is Popeye, and one is for Amelia. And Stan, I have the perfect place that I'm gonna put these, and you'll probably see them in the vlog, or if we film down the upstairs hallway, you'll see them once I get them hung up.
Good.
Which could take a while, because everything
gift.
takes a while.
Not only that, our vlogs are so far behind right now. We haven't even uploaded for a couple months, but we will be back on there, promise. Now this is really nice. This is a dream catcher. I've never owned a nice one like this in my whole life. I think when I was a kid, we made one in a craft
like Boy
class
Scouts.
or something, Boy Scouts. But
I did one in Girl Scouts, I remember.
This is like a legit nice dream catcher. So that's really cool, because this is supposed to bring, what is it, to welcome good dreams?
No, it catches the bad dreams. It catches the bad dreams, right? Yeah.
I think so.
I think that's what they say.
And then this is a nice, I think he said it was a...
Irish.
An Irish poem,
yeah.
Yes, in here.
That's cool.
If you guys want to read the whole thing, you should be able to pause that and read it. But it is very cool. I think there was another
Irish.
Yeah. These are nice.
I remember reading his letter, and he said that they were all the things that it said, he said reminded him of us and our values.
Isn't that so nice? Really cool.
Thanks, Stan.
Yeah.
So I believe that was all that was in Stan's first box that we got.
First box.
This was Stan Brewer's second box he sent us that we just picked up. And
oh yeah,
this was the duck box, right?
The duck box. But this is a headband thing that's supposed to help her head from bouncing around. So it says on it. This is a headband for car seat, ties around seat, holds head from being thrown forward. That's what that is.
Okay. Okay.
I've never seen that before.
Thanks for looking out, Stan.
Stan's
gifts are always like out of his concern for us.
This was a
pop-up card. One was for Amelia and one was for me and you, right?
Yes.
And they have notes on the back of them for us.
These cards are so cool.
I love the pop-up cards. It's so cute.
Yeah, they look good.
I need to start hanging up our Christmas cards that we're getting from people.
Now this is a cool light. It's hard to explain, but I can maybe show you the picture.
Like a projection light.
Yeah, so maybe Amelia, when she's a little bit older, just a little bit older, we'll be able to put this on the floor and she's in her crib and she can look up and see pretty lights all over her room. That's cool.
That's really neat. And then Stan said he remembers that I like ducks, and I like feeding real ducks. Like whenever I see a duck, I have this like intense want to go feed them. This has been an ongoing thing since childhood.
That one is a Popeye toy.
That's for Popeye.
Yeah. Hey buddy, you want a new toy? You want a new toy? He's right
here.
For you. I don't think you guys can even. There, yeah, he's. Yeah, see, he doesn't touch anything unless we give it to him. Isn't that amazing?
That will be torn up here in 5 minutes.
Yeah. This is a little duck.
That was for me. Change purse.
Change purse. And then this one's for me. Duct tape. Duct tape. It's camo and it's good heavy duty stuff. Gorilla duct tape. I will use this. I like that.
Was there one for Amelia?
And...
oh no, he said, didn't he say he was still looking for Amelia's duck item?
I think so. That's fun though. Well, just fun. Just fun stuff. That's fun.
Thanks for thinking of us, Stan.
Absolutely.
It's nice to know that we have a friend all the way over in California.
Now this is from our friend Jan Whitley.
Jan.
And I
hooked Nathan up.
I love her so much. I don't know if she knows this, but she just struck gold with me because she sent me jerky.
Not just jerky.
It's good jerky.
It's bacon jerky.
Yeah, and let me tell you this.
Show a piece of it.
Oh, okay. And Popeye likes it too. But this stuff is actually really good. If I was going to eat jerky that's not, like if I was going to eat bacon that's not from IHOP or something, it would be this. This stuff is amazingly delicious. It's just tastes like you're eating.
But she sent you 2 boxes.
Yes, so not just that pack, but like I said, oh, I struck gold when I opened this box.
But then there's a whole other box, Nathan.
So yeah, there's these. They're all the bacon. I mean, when I opened this, I said, Abby, leave me alone. I need this right now. I mean, that was just like Christmas morning opening this box. Look at this. Look at this. I feel like the richest man in the world right now. This makes me so happy. You have no idea. This is amazing. It's the most turkey anyone's ever sent me, and I get it all. No, actually.
No, look at Popeye.
Popeye gets a little bit. Abby actually likes this one
It was
too.
very good, yes.
Yeah.
It tastes like bacon.
I mean, you could.
Like, I will make eggs and then put this on the plate beside my eggs.
Yeah, it's good. And you could put it in the microwave for like 15 seconds.
Bacon. It's really good.
Really good.
Then we have one other item.
We'll have it linked in the description box below. It's really good.
Then we have one last thing, right? From
One
Jan?
last thing. And she sent this to us because she's getting into the hobby and wants us to test some things. And she saw this on Amazon and thought of us. But she said she couldn't quite figure it out. And I'll be honest, we've already plugged it in and played around with it a little bit. But a video is coming on this, Jan.
Yeah.
So this truck is supposed to have a self-riding feature. It has wheels on the top of the truck.
You know what I like about it? The purple hubcaps, and it's purple.
Doesn't it have
I think
lights on the
we're
top
gonna.
too?
This is gonna be around for a little while because it has lights.
Yeah,
For
look.
Amelia.
Yeah. I mean, that's fun. And it works. It does. We haven't been able to get the self-riding feature to work, but fun little truck. Very easy to operate. It was cool. And we've got to figure out that self-riding feature before we do a video. So we just played around with it for a few minutes. But that is so cool. And RC truck, I like that. And unique.
Well, if you've watched this baby the whole time, you'll be ready for a nap because now I'm ready for a nap.
Yes.
She makes me sleepy.
Today,
Because she keeps me up all night.
my dad came over and I had planned on doing the firmware update on the Xeno with him. And they pushed it back a couple days. So the Xeno videos are on hold right now.
And you plan to do the firmware update for the Femi.
Yeah, I wanted to show Dad it flying one time, and I haven't done the firmware update for it yet. So we flew it when we're taking an 8.5 minute flight time. Not great. And we just mainly hovered. So we're testing things. I've got some things charging right now that we plan to bring to the channel within the next couple days. So we have some really cool, fun stuff to share with you guys. And
Come on, Popeye.
hey buddy, come here. Come here. Oh, he wants to show his duck. He's got his duck and he wants to play with it.
Yeah, he does.
He's down there chewing on it. Yeah, he's playing with his duck.
So we have some things in the works, but we wanted to take a second just to say thank you to everybody who has sent something. It's just so kind to know that you guys think about us.
One final update. Almost forgot. Now, on Christmas Day, you guys are going to get the official...
I told them we wouldn't mention this again till Christmas. We lied if you mentioned this.
All right. Won't mention it again until Christmas. Yep.
But you guys are awesome.
Amazing. The best. The best people in the world that could be supporting us. All right, that's you. If you're watching this video.